Find the slope of a line that passes through the points -1, 5 and -1, 3. As a reminder, slope is the ratio of our y values, the difference of our y values, which we often call rise, over run, which is the difference of our x values. So we have our 2 points, and one of the things I'm noticing right away is my 2x values are exactly the same. So we're going to talk about what that can tell us after we find the slope using the slope formula, which finds the difference of y's divided by the difference of x's. So I've color coded these for a reason. You can watch my other videos about that. So I'm going to start with my yellow point, and in the numerator goes my y. Directly underneath that is my x value. And slope is found using the difference of our y values and the difference of our x values. So I'm subtracting. Be careful here because you're going to notice that the y value here is negative. So you have to write that negative. And the same thing goes here. We also have to write the -1. All right, we are ready to simplify. So m equals 5 minus -3. Two negatives in math make a positive. So we have 5 plus 3, which is 8. And we have -1 minus or subtract -1. Two negatives, again, make a positive. So we have -1 plus 1, which is 0. Oh my goodness. We cannot divide by 0. It's not possible. So what this tells me is my slope is undefined. So this happens anytime we get 0 in the denominator. So let's talk about why that is using the graph. So here's our graph. I'm going to go ahead and plot our 2 points first. I'm going to plot -1, 5. You can see the yellow point there, and then -1, -3. You can see the orange point there. When I connect these points, you're going to notice that this line is completely vertical. And it's completely vertical because I'm rising, but I'm not running. Like I'm only going up and I'm not running. We call this an undefined slope. All right, so how do we write the equation of an undefined slope? So you're going to notice this line passes through the x-axis. So x equals our x coordinate, which in every single one of these points is -1. Okay, your shortcut way of doing that is noticing that both of these points have -1 as the x value. That's how you write the equation. Now, if you're like me and you're always thinking, how can I be more efficient doing math? One of the things that I would have noticed, that I did notice when I wrote this problem actually, was that both of my x coordinates are the same. Knowing that I'm going to be taking the difference of them, I knew that my denominator was going to equal 0. Anytime that happens, I get an undefined slope. So I would have known straight away that this slope was undefined. You can use that trick too. Thanks for joining me. Make sure to subscribe for more math videos. Till next time, remember, you've got